Mayap agat panapon po, or should I say, good afternoon to everyone. I'm Micaela Lindayaw from the STM Cubao Campus representing the culinary capital of the Philippines, Pampanga.
Pampanga is a province of the Philippines located in Central Luzon region, bordered by the province of Bataan, Zambales, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, and Bulacan. Beside of it being known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, did you know that Pampanga is composed of over 20 municipalities? Angeles, Arayat, Apalit, Bacolor, Candaba, Florida Blanca, Guagua, Lubao, Mabalacat, Macabebe, Magalang, Nasantol, Mexico, Minalin, Porac, San Fernando, San Luis, San Simon, Santa Ana, Santa Rita, Santo Tomas, and Sasmuan.
So now let's talk about the geography of Pampanga. Pampanga is composed of 20 municipalities and 3 cities, 2 component city and 1 independent, highly urbanized city. Here is a political map of Pampanga, Philippines. Here are the list of transport mode will be used going to Pampanga. First, we have P2P bus. Second, we have private vehicle. Third is commuter bus. And lastly is plane. But for this itinerary, we use a 2014 Toyota Hiace GL Vanilla van, a 12-seater van with excellent condition. The 4x4G system operated by a 12-in 4-wheel drive and can travel easily and securely on our surfaces. Now, the question is, what is the month best to go in Pampanga? So, this is the answers. Pampanga has 2 seasons, wet and dry season. Hottest month is March to May, and coolest month is December to February. In general, it is the best to travel Pampanga during the dry and cool months between November to February. Place to visit Pampanga. On day 1, we have Mayong Filipino, Pamintuan Mansion, and Apag Marangle. For day 2, we have Mount Arayat, and for day 3, we have Puning Hot Spring and Sun Spa, and lastly is Sky Ranch, San Fernando, Pampanga.
Nayong Pilipino. This park is essentially a representation in a miniature version of the diverse Philippines and its culture all in one place. This recreational, leisure, history learning facility is divided into numerous geographically sectionalized display areas. Here you'll find representations of regions such as Cordillera Central, Ilocos, Tagalog, Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao, and so forth. Visiting these structures is like taking a trip in a time machine to another perspective of place and time in Philippine history. Pamintuan Mansion. The Pamintuan Mansion is a historic building in Angeles, Philippines built by the Pamintuan family in the 1880s. It was briefly used by the Katipunan during the Philippine-American War. It currently hosts a social science museum. The Pamintuan Mansion is the site of the Museum of Philippine Social History o Filipino Museo ng Kasaysayang Panlipunan ng Pilipinas since 2015. It is reportedly the first social history museum in the Philippines, while other museums in the country dedicated to historical figures and events. The Pamintuan Mansion showcases the Filipino social life, covering various aspects such as traditional clothing, games, music, trade, and culinary arts. Apag Marangle, a Kapampangan restaurant situated in the middle of a fish pond. Apag Marangle or Hain sa Bukid is a restaurant that offers an authentic medley of mouth-watering Kapampangan dishes and related cuisine, perfectly complemented by an inviting native architecture that takes the dinners to a unique gastronomic journey like no other. Prominent personalities such as celebrities flock to the Bacolor location and has been featured in many write-ups as well as TV shows. Sandbox, a sprawling adventure destination with fun and thrilling rides and attractions for people of all ages. Sandbox has Asia's first roller coaster zipline and the tallest giant swing in the Philippines. Sandbox at Alvira is a unique getaway spot for families. Located with Ayala Land's mixed-use development state, Alvira, it redefines outdoor adventure and fun in Pampanga. It features a full stretch of exciting attractions that will surely make everyone appreciate the outdoors. Mount Arayat. Arayat is a forested stratovolcano above the flat central plain of Luzon Island and located in Yopo Angeles City, Philippines. It belongs to the eastern volcanic chain, which includes Mount Balungaw, Quiapo, Amorong, and Arayat volcanoes. Puning Hot Spring and Spa is a unique place to relax, meditate, and explore the grandeur of rock formation made by nature. Amidst those awesome Lahar rock formation that will definitely captivate your imagination, you can also experience the healing effect of the therapeutic bath from the warm thermal spring of Mount Pinatubo. Sky Ranch. Sky Ranch is a network of amusement parks in the Philippines. Sky Ranch has 3 branches in Tagaytay, San Fernando, Pampanga, and in Baguio. The first Sky Ranch amusement park opened in Tagaytay in 2013.